In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We are found instructing ourselves negatively quite often, especially when we are not getting a kind of positive feedback. If at all we are not getting a positive response, a very small amount of negative response or negative feedback makes us fall into the despair. We become so easily switched towards the negativity, and we are actually circulating one thought inside our mind so often, so frequently, so repeatedly that this person or those people are not going to respond me positively, that this person or these people are not going to give me a good response because they don't like me, because they don't like me, because they don't prefer me, because they are biased, because they are unethical, because these people are not cooperative, because these people are not having a sense of responsibility. So for all of these reasons, they are not going to cooperate me even prior to prior to make an attempt. Even prior to making an attempt, we people are found entertaining the negative thoughts inside our mind again and again, and these negative thoughts actually are found poisoning our mind, poisoning our thoughts, and poisoning our attempts as well. So if at all we are unsuccessful today in many of the cases, let me tell you that this thing is the reason, and this thing is reason of our failure at most of the cases. If at all we want to reverse the situation, if at all we want to change the situation, all what we need to do is that first of all we need to keep instructing ourselves in quite a positive manner. We need to tell ourselves that people do like me, and we need to tell ourselves that inshallah, upon listening, upon knowing, upon seeing a positive and promising performance of mine, attempt of mine, the people will start getting inclined toward me, and the people will start responding positively towards my attempts. And I am sure, I am confident enough that the people do like me on the one hand, and the people will respond me positively on the other hand, because I am quite a good candidate, because I am quite a good person, because I am quite a capable person, because I am quite a consistent person, because my attitude and my thinking pattern, my mindset is quite a positive one, keeping in view all of these reasons. The people have a positive image of mine, and I too am confident, I too am sure that inshallah the things will keep getting better with the passage of time, and the time is not far away when I shall be succeeding, when I shall be getting all what was needed, all what was wanted. I simply need to keep the two things. I need to simply have the two things. And first one is that I should be having at least a common sense. If I'm not intelligent, I think it is okay. If at all I'm not educated, it is okay either. But if at all it is okay either. And at the same time, I need to keep myself. I need to keep myself in the empowering mental state. A lack of education and lack of intelligence, lack of a very good IQ, I think it can be easily covered. Although the education and the intelligence can give us the added benefit, but if at all the both of these are lacking and all what I am possessing is just a positive thinking, all what I'm possessing is only a common sense, is only an average type of intelligence. And if at all this average type of intelligence or the common sense is coupled with the empowering mental state, mean a totally positive thinking, let me tell you that the combination of these two is a very effective one. The combination of these two is a very useful one, and the combination of these two is going to make us a successful person. I think so. All what is needed, all what is required to be a successful person, the two of these things are of primary nature. As for the rest of the things are concerned, I think so. It can make the things even better, like the like the good IQ and like the good education, and then the rest of the resources, financial or otherwise. I think all of these things can help us a lot in becoming a successful human being. But as for the minimum requirement for a success is concerned, these are the barely two things. First of all, I think we need to have a common sense. Although a very good amount of intelligence could be a good one, but still it is not essential. The education could be quite a good one, but it is not essential either. The one thing which is essential in this regard is the common sense, is the average type of intelligence. And the other thing which is quite necessary, and that is which is quite necessary indeed, and without which I think we cannot succeed at all. And if at all we do succeed, it will be a very temporary, it will be a very fickle, and it will be of a trivial nature only. And as for the good amount of solid success is concerned, we need to keep ourselves in a constantly empowering mental state. This empowering mental state actually keeps our morale high, and this high morale of ours is actually making us quite a confident human being. And this a very good degree of a self confidence is essential for the sake of success, is essential for the sake of achieving our targets. It is as simple as this one. It is not complicated, and not complicated at all. Although there are several things which are very useful, and if at all we want to achieve a good amount of success, so there are several things which could be of great help. But as for the minimum requirement, as for the very basic requirement is concerned, it comprises the two things only. On the one hand, we need to have at least a common sense. On the other hand, we need to entertain the very empowering thoughts for all the time, so that the very empowering thoughts are found circulating inside our mind, inside our brain. And this provides us with the constant energy, this provides us with a constant amount of strength. The two of these things only, common sense on the one hand, empowering mental states on the other hand, the combination of these two will make us quite a successful, quite a happy human being. Thank you very much. Jazakumullah khair.